Good afternoon, Dr. Seth Nelson here from Rising Sun Chiropractic in Southern Minnesota Weight Loss Center. I'm here with Linda, who just finished her first 40 rounds of our weight loss and lifestyle program. And she has graciously come in to tell us a little bit about that first 6 weeks. But I will say I'm very proud of the changes she's made. She's down over 27 pounds at this point, which has exceeded her goals when we first started. And so I always like to know how you felt about the program. Did you feel like this was a realistic change for your life? Do you feel like this was a lifestyle shift you can maintain? How do you feel about things?
It's a change, but you feel so good eating this way. It's worth it. It's hard to go eat at someone else's house because they eat differently, but you can bring your own or just figure it out.
Do you feel like are these weird foods? Are these weird plans, or is this something doable that you feel like anyone could do?
No, I like to eat that way. It's fresh foods. There's no processed foods. It's all good food.
Good. And so you were saying you're feeling better. Do you feel like as you've gone through this protocol or these diet strategy changes, do you feel like that has been an influence on how you're feeling?
Well, it gives you more energy. You don't feel tired and want to take a nap. You want to go do something because you're energized.
Good to hear. Is there anything that you feel like people who are maybe on the fence, like not sure if they want to make a lifestyle change, is there anything you feel like they should know after you've been through this first step?
Just try it. That's the best way. You know if you can do it or not. You can stop if you don't like it. It's worth it. You feel good.
Cool. Well, I very much appreciate, and you've done such a good job, and I can't wait to see where we go. So thank you. And if you guys have any questions, you can always direct message us, call or text, and we're happy to have you in and teach you a little bit more about what we offer here with our lifestyle program. Thank you very much, and hope to see you soon. Thank you,
Thank
Linda.
you, Seth.